I used to work in cable, and so I guess this would be a good time to explain to you guys how cable works like this. When the cable person comes to your house, they have to find where the internet comes from, and that comes from something called a tap. The tap is either in a green pedestal in your yard, or it is either on a cable line hanging outside your house somewhere. What we have to do is we have to take the ladder or just go find the tap, and we have to hook up a OEM meter or signal meter reader to the tap. And what that does is we do it with a coax cable. For everyone else at home that doesn't know where internet comes from or how your house gets internet, basically your router is plugged into your modem, and that's what gives you your Wi-Fi signal. That's also dictates the range coverage that you're going to get, whether that's inside your house or outside your house. Now, Wi-Fi signal is very sensitive, and how it comes out of the router is the signal goes up and out like a bubble, and so it like covers an area like an umbrella. And if there's anything above that router, I don't care what it is, I don't care if it's a shelf, I don't care if it's a pipe with water in it, whatever it is, it will block that signal. So you can put the modem anywhere.
America!
You can throw that thing in a drawer, you can throw it behind your bed, whatever you want, and you're still going to get the same fast speed and fast reliable internet that you would always get. But the router, if you put it on a shelf and there's another shelf above it or anything like that, then you're getting maybe half of the signal that you were supposed to be getting, and your coverage is not going to be good.